What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SENS stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Senseonics Holdings engaged in the design, development and commercialization of implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. Its primary product is the brand Eversense, a glucose monitoring device which includes sensor, smart transmitter and mobile application. And we are on their product website. As you can see, they said that the world's only long-term CGM system. With the Eversense 90-day CGM system, you can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. And here are three main components of this system. It is a sensor itself, transmitter and mobile app. And here is some facts about this system. We are on investor deck and it was published on November 2020. It is a little bit outdated. Nevertheless, this information is still viable. It says it is the first and only CGM that lasts for months versus days. It is first and only implantable sensor, first and only CGM to achieve 8.5 MARD, first and only transmitter that is removable, first and only sensor that is MRI compatible, first and only system with on-body wipe alerts for hypo and hyper warnings, first and only system with fresh, gentle on-skin adhesive patch, first and only device that does not require self-insertions. It is a very useful device and it is the future for people with the diabetes. And here we have Senseonics milestones, and as you can see on 2021 they expect a new Eversense 180-day sensor anticipated approval and investigational device exemption anticipated submission for 365-day sensor. And this information related to FDA. This information related to Europe, and it says Android with Eversense now anticipated and new Eversense 180-day sensor anticipated approval. And this is already done, so they have approved 180-day for Europe, and they have approved 90 days for United States, and they're about to approve the 180-day for the United States, and that's why I think it will be a catalyst for the price. And we have a recent news, and it was published just several hours ago, and they published their earnings report. And here is a quick summary about this. Senseonics earnings per share misses by $0.34, beats on revenue. And as you can see, Senseonics Q4 GAAP EPS is negative $0.41 and it misses by $0.34. But they beat the revenue by $0.49 million and their revenue is $3.9 million. So, for the 2021, they expect global net revenue to Senseonics for the full year 2021 is expected to be the range of $12 million to $15 million and $13.09 million consensus. And shares are up for 15%. And here is the Senseonics website, and here is the summary of their results. And as you can see, let me quote CEO of Senseonics: "We are pleased with our fourth quarter results, our commercial collaboration agreement with Essentia, and the success of our recent financings. These steps conclude a strategically transformational year for Senseonics," said Tim Goodnow, PhD, President and Chief Executive Officer of Senseonics. "We believe Essentia's commercial experience and global footprint will help grow the market for Eversense in 2021 and beyond. We are working with Essentia to further expand commercial activity in the coming months. These collaborative efforts include development plans for new programs designed to raise patient and provider awareness, reduce patient cost, and continually expand global access for Eversense." And for their full year 2020 results, they reduce many of their expenses. They reduce marketing expenses, they reduce development expenses, they reduce administrative expenses. As of December 31st, 2020, cash equivalents and restricted cash were $18.2 million and outstanding indebtedness was $117.2 million. Cash, cash equivalents, and restricted cash rose to $187.3 million on January 31st, 2021, following the equity financings completed in the first quarter 2021. And they have enough money to operate their business, and they are about to have an FDA approval for their 180 days CGM system, and they are about to start a trial for 365 days system, and that's why we don't see any huge sell-offs of this company among institutional investors. We can see only these latest feelings, and it is Roche Finance. And let me show you. As you can see here, they reduced their position of 38%. So for now they owned 4.7%, and they have more than 17.5 million shares, and they have a little bit more than 28 million shares. They just reduced their position, but they reduced it on a very strange manner. As you can see, first feelings was made on February 16th, and the last one was made on March the 2nd. And on February 16th, we can see around this price point, around $5. And on March the 3rd, we have this price point, about $3. And they just fixed their losses of 35%. It's very strange behavior for the institutional investors, but I think they have some internal facts that they should do it like this. And here is the Vanguard website, and we are on Senseonics Holdings, and as you can see, their analysts have 3 suggestions to buy the stock, 3 suggestions to hold, and 1 suggestion to sell. In my opinion, it is a good sign. But before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So here was my 3 main accumulation points, and it was made with this assumption that we have the third wave done and have this retracement, and we've hit to the tick 0.65 and 0.618 region. It is a golden pocket, and here is our main point where the asset might change the trend. So from this point, more likely that it will go up, and this is the best point to accumulate your position as an investor. And if you believe in this company and you've already done your own due diligence, then it is a perfect point to enter your position. And for those of you who already saw my previous videos, you can see that we've already made about 80%, more than 80% of profits, and now we are exactly at the same level of our previous entry points. So we have this entry, we have these profits, and now we again have the same opportunity to go long. And for those of you who want to trade this asset, I don't recommend you to do so, because all the markets are bleeding right now, and it is a very high chance that every stock might go even lower from the point that they are now. And this means you can make only investments, and that's why I don't recommend you to trade. So for now, that's it. I will do more updates in a couple of days with the next information. That's it for now. See you guys next time. Bye.